Welcome, everyone is a Doogee X80 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, let's hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it has, all you need to do is hold power key and the volume up. This will bring us to the recovery mode. There we go, you can see recovery mode, give it a moment and it will actually enter it. There we go. And from here, simply select the second option using volume keys, so press volume down once. And then you can see it selected the reboot to bootloader, confirm it with power key. And we are now in Fastboot mode. And there we go, Fastboot mode right at the bottom. So that is how you boot your device into this mode. And if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. So just watch out for the Fastboot mode to simply disappear from the screen. There we go. And it will automatically power back on, as you can see. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.